Comment... If you are learning French but still freezing up in real conversations, don't worry. This video is exactly what you need. I have got 25 must-know phrases to help you sound natural and confident in French. No more awkward silences, I promise you. Stick around till the end because I will also share with you my 2 favorite phrases that I use all the time. Let's go! Let's start with some phrases to help you ease into conversations. T'as une minute? Do you have a minute? We usually say this when we want to start a quick chat. Hey Alex, t'as une minute? Je voulais te demander quelque chose. Ça te va? Does that work for you? Perfect to check if someone agrees or if a plan works for them. On peut se voir à 17h, ça te va? T'es dispo pour en parler? Are you available to talk about it? When you want to talk about something and check that the other person is available and willing to chat with you. Salut Sam, t'es dispo pour en parler plus tard? Tu veux qu'on en discute plus tard? Want to talk about it later? Perfect if you are not sure if now is the right time. Pas de souci. Tu veux qu'on en discute plus tard quand tu auras le temps? Je te tiens au courant. I will keep you updated. Or, on se tient au courant. Let's keep each other updated. A great way to wrap things up and show you will keep in touch. On se tient au courant quand j'en sais plus, ok? Tu veux en parler? Wanna talk about it? When you want to show to someone you are open to listening in a simple and natural way. J'ai entendu dire que tu étais stressée. Tu veux en parler? Moving on. Sometimes you just want to react positively, right? Here are some sweet ways to do it. C'est trop chou. That's so cute. Oh là là, mais c'est trop chou. C'est vraiment sympa de ta part. That is really nice of you. A natural way to show gratitude when someone does something kind. C'est vraiment sympa de ta part. Merci beaucoup. J'adore ton idée. I love your idea. When you just love someone's idea or want to support someone's creative spark. J'adore ton idée. C'est super créatif. Je suis vraiment contente de cette nouvelle. I am really happy about this news. Perfect when family or friends have good news to share. Je suis trop contente de cette nouvelle. C'est génial. Ça me paraît bien. Sounds good to me. When you agree with what's being said or suggested. Oui, ça me paraît bien comme plan. Ce n'est pas grave. It's okay, no big deal. Use it to reassure someone or let them know it's not a problem. Oh, mais ce n'est pas grave, t'inquiète. Now that you've got some new key phrases, why not take the next step in your French learning? Our free study guide offers a simple step-by-step guidance to help you learn smarter and see real progress. You can check out the link in the description. Let's keep going. It's time to get social. Here are some must-know phrases for making plans. On se fait un apéro? Shall we have a drink together? A super common and very classic French invite. Eh, ça te dit pas qu'on se fasse un apéro ce soir? On se fait une bouffe? Wanna grab a bite? Use it to make casual food plans. It's friendly and also French. On se fait une bouffe, un de ces quatre? Tu veux que je ramène quelque chose? Do you want me to bring something? Great when you are invited and want to offer to bring something. Tu veux que je ramène quelque chose pour le dîner ce soir? Ça te dirait qu'on prenne un café? feel like grabbing a coffee? Use it when you feel like inviting someone for a chill coffee meetup. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to improve your French with real life tips. Ça fait un bail qu'on ne s'est pas vu. It's been ages since we last saw each other. Perfect when you are reconnecting with old friends after a long time. Ça fait un bail qu'on ne s'est pas vu. Tu deviens quoi depuis tout ce temps? Tu veux que je passe chez toi? Want me to come over? A casual and caring way to suggest a visit to their place. Tu veux que je passe chez toi ce soir? Alright, now that we have seen how to start a conversation, share positive reactions, and make plans, let's talk about what interests us the most. Sharing updates and juicy gossips. Tu as entendu la nouvelle? Have you heard the news? Good for starting juicy chats. Tu as entendu la nouvelle sur Clara? J'ai entendu dire que. I heard that. Great for introducing a piece of gossip or new information. Mais j'ai entendu dire qu'il partait au Canada. Tu devineras jamais ce que j'ai appris. You will never guess what I found out. Use it when you really want to catch their attention. Tu devineras jamais ce que j'ai appris. J'ai un truc à te raconter. I have something to tell you. Use it when you've got some exciting news. J'ai un truc à te raconter, t'es pas prête. Let's have a look at the last three phrases, ones that natives use a lot to show surprise or react. Note them down to make your French sound super natural. Tu sais ce qui s'est passé? Do you know what happened? Perfect to tease a story or a gossip. Mais tu sais ce qui s'est passé? Elle l'a quitté. Tu savais pas? You didn't know? A short but effective way to show surprise when someone doesn't know a bit of gossip or news. Tu savais pas? Elle se marie le mois prochain. And finally, the last one of my absolute faves for gossip. Mais non, raconte. No way, tell me more. Use it when you are dying to hear more details. Mais non, raconte. Je veux tout savoir. So that's it. 25 useful phrases to help you sound more French, more natural, and way more fun. My personal favorites? Mais non, raconte. And on se fait un apéro? I just can't pick one. And if you want to sound even more natural and less like a tourist, check out my video, Don't Say Je veux in French, to learn some cool alternatives. Click here to watch it. See you there.